Hey guys, and welcome back or welcome to Creative at Home. And today we're gonna be making another collab squishy. This is a collab with LivyBear DIY, and she has an amazing channel. Please go check her channel out. She does a lot of DIYs and paper squishy stuff, and yeah, so go check her channel out and subscribe to her. Here's the squishy we're going to be making. It's Shopkin's Cutie-O cereal, and so far this is how my sketch looks. Also, it was my birthday on Saturday, July 24th, so I was going to post a 3D paper squishy cake tutorial, but I just didn't have the time to. But I got a bunch of new materials like the 100 pack of Crayola super tips for making squishies. I got some white gel pens and some fine tip Sharpies, and I got these Posca paint pens, and if you watch Mariah Elizabeth, you'll know what they are. And I also got this poppet that you guys saw. Oh my gosh, it is so cool. Alrighty, so remember this is a collab with LivyBear DIYs, and I think the sketch is looking pretty good. These Shopkins were so hard to do, especially since I didn't trace. So yeah, let's sketch it out. Okay, so now we have this all laminated and cut, and I have the back laminated and cut. So let's assemble. So I've got it all assembled. I did cut this a little short, so I had to tape another piece and add it on. But now let's stuff it. I'm going to stuff it using polyfill. So let's just stuff it. Let's tape it shut using a tiny piece of tape. And then fold the back down. And then down, and then just continue that going all the way across. Okay guys, so this is how my squishy came out. So yeah, I think this one turned out pretty good. I love how the Shopkins turned out. They look really cute and realistic. And yeah, go subscribe to LivyBear DIY. She posted her video, and hers looks so good. So yeah, let's see where we can put this in my paper squishy collection. Alrighty, so this is my first paper squishy shelf. This is desserts. This is overflowing. that's overflowing. That's, some of this stuff is falling down. And then up there, that's also overflowing. Yeah, so I actually have no clue where I'm gonna put this, because like my smaller cereals usually go like here or back there, but that's all overflowed, so yeah. I think I'm just gonna put it randomly right here because I don't know where to put it. I think I need to get some bigger storage. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I haven't posted in like a week. It was my birthday, and also guys, look at this poppet. Yeah, it was my birthday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a collab with LivyBear DIYs.
I also got this fidget.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Shopkin's Cudio cereal collab with LivyBear DIYs. And if you liked the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Creative at Home. And thank you so much for 121 subscribers. And thank you for all the nice comments and all the support you've given to me. So I'll see you in my next video, and go and be creative at home.